Okay, so for the assembly process, I have the smoothed in, which is the side that everyone's going to be seeing on the bottom. This is the 2 1/4 section, so it's this section right here, and then the 3 1/2 goes on there vertically. And so to find the middle, what I do is I make sure I got the smoothed in on there. Yes, I do. I'll place that right in the center. And to know it's in the center all the time, I'll use these other sections of boards I've made and just press it against there to make sure it's all nice and smooth. Once it's flush and flat and I'm comfortable with this board being representative of the middle, then what I'll do is I'll take my pencil and then I'll make a strike on it. Now once I have that, what I'll then do is place the glue all along this end and then glue them all down based off where that pencil line is. And I'll go through all of them, let the glue dry for a little while, and then I'll go in and start putting the screws.